So we are on our way to our next flight to Paris, luggage free. Wish I knew sooner that you can leave your luggage here in the airport. It's like all the airports have luggage storage. So if you're just flying out or doing a long layover for just a few days like us, we're going back to Barcelona in just 2 days. Then why carry around our luggage when we can just bring 2 days worth of clothes in our bag, fly back to Barcelona, pick up our luggage there. Why are airports everywhere else around the world more stress-free than New York and Boston? In New York and Boston, they yell at you. You look at them, they're like, what are you looking at? Take off your clothes. Take off your jacket. Move, move, move. Over here, everyone's just like laid back, relaxed. They didn't even check our passports. 2 more flights to go. No, wait, yeah, right? 2 more flights? 3. I'll take 6 flights anytime over going home. Right?
Wait.
Again, taking the trains. Took it only twice, right? Let's hope we don't get lost in Paris. In Paris. Our first stop is going to be the Notre-Dame. It's only a 5-minute walk from the train station. So we literally just arrived from the airport. We took a train. The train was just 38 minutes and it was right there in the airport. It couldn't have been any easier. And then we took only 12 stops and it's gonna leave us like a 5-minute walk from the Notre-Dame. So we're gonna start there. So our first little cafe shop here. So yeah, you know, we're just eating here by the Notre-Dame. No big deal. Here's the Notre-Dame. Reminds me of the Hunchback of Notre-Dame, the movie. Right there. We're gonna have some crepes and some coffee, and then we're gonna go venture out that way. First breakfast in Paris. Look at his face. You gotta try new stuff.
George.
Here's the entrance to the train station. So I made another stop at another bakery. Carlos is getting upset I keep stopping. Oh well. I got some hot chocolate to warm me up because it is pretty cold. And then we've got some brookie. And then we just took like a 10-minute walk from the Pantheon. And we are at the gardens of Jardin de Luxembourg. So it's a really huge garden area with like huge fountains and lots of statues everywhere. So we're gonna take a little break now and then we'll continue onward. So we've moved directions because we found seats, 2 little seats, looking right out into the water, if you can see that. It's a nice little view. All right, Carlos is trying new things. We've got some pad thai. How cute.
Stairs. And it's 4 floors. 4 floors.
What number? Lots of stairs up to our hotel. Never-ending stairs. Almost there. All right, so we can't get in until 3 o'clock exactly. So these are not, they're apartments, but they're still labeled as a hotel. There's just no reception on site. They just email you an access code and then you wait till 3 and you check in. So the plan for today is just to come back, relax, sleep, and put my alarm on to wake us up later. We're gonna take a bus tour. I think it's a 2.5-hour tour. You just sit in the top, open air, and then you get to see the whole city center of, well, I think the whole of Paris, not just the city center, lit up at night at the comfort of a bus. So we're gonna try to bring a blanket, hopefully, because it's freezing. It's cold. I had to, so I've got like a thin jacket. It's like one of those swishy Under Armour kind of hooded jackets, and then I've got this vest, but then I had to throw my wet one on because it's that cold. So we've got a few more minutes to wait and then we can go in. All right, so we just got in and I'm so excited. The first place ever, I'm talking Portugal, Italy, Spain, the first place that actually has an iron. So excited. And the funny thing is that we did not pack anything that needs to be ironed. We left it in Barcelona because we knew that there wasn't gonna be any. And look at that. So yeah, it is a very compact little studio. So you've got the bed right here. It looks like a queen size Galo or double? Like a double, right?
Yeah, twin.
No, definitely not a twin. This is a this is a double. And then you've got, oh, it's got all the plates and all the dishes you need, little TV, 2 bar stools. Here's the door to enter, and then there's the little tiny kitchen. Very cute. Is this the microwave? Nope, this is a cabinet. Got a stove top. The microwave's right there. We've got a little fridge with a freezer. There's the trash. And then the bathroom. There's a pretty good sized mirror here. And then the bathroom's in here. Let's turn on the lights. So you've got a washer. I don't know what this is. Maybe this is the hot water tank. But look, they give you already a pod to wash your clothes, towels. And then there's a sink. Got some toiletries in there. Hair dryer. I think that's a hair dryer. Towel holder. Got a little cabinet. And the bathrooms or the shower's very small. But it's cute and it has exactly what we need. All right, we'll see how comfortable the bed is tonight.